Have you ever wondered why some businesses suddenly face money problems even when their sales look strong? The reason is simple. They didn't plan their monthly cash flow. Every business, big or small, needs a monthly projection to avoid surprises. A projection doesn't guarantee success, but it keeps you prepared. It shows you when money will be tight and when things will be comfortable. Today, you'll learn how to create a simple monthly cash flow projection that anyone can understand. Let's go step by step. Step number 1. Start with your opening cash balance. This is the amount of money you already have at the beginning of the month. Think of it as the starting fuel in your tank. If you begin the month with $2,000 in your bank account, that's your opening balance. This number is important because it sets the base for all calculations that follow. Step number 2, estimate your monthly revenue. This is the money you expect to receive during the month. The key is to use simple and realistic assumptions. If you run a bakery and usually sell around 300 cakes every month, don't assume you'll suddenly sell 500. Stick to what normally happens. You can estimate revenue from regular sales, service fees, subscriptions, small investments, and any other expected income. The goal is to keep it practical, not perfect. Step number 3, list all monthly expenses. This is where many new business owners get stuck. To make it simple, divide your expenses into 2 parts, fixed and variable. Fixed expenses stay the same each month. Examples include rent, salaries, internet bill, software subscriptions. Variable expenses change depending on your sales or activity. Examples include raw materials, packaging, shipping, marketing cost, electricity if usage changes. Make sure you don't forget small items. Even minor expenses like cleaning supplies or domain renewals matter when you're planning cash flow. Step number 4, calculate your net cash flow. This is the easiest part. Just subtract your total cash outflows, expenses from your total inflows, revenue. Net cash flow equals total inflows minus total outflows. If the number is positive, you have extra cash. If the number is negative, you need to plan ahead. To understand how this works in real life, here's a short example. Imagine a small printing business. They start the month with $1,500. They expect to earn $4,000 in sales. On paper, it looks great, but their monthly expenses add up quickly. Rent is $1,000. Salaries, $1,800. Ink and paper, $900. Electricity and internet, $300. Unexpected repairs, $200. Total expenses, $4,200. Total inflow, $4,000. Even though their sales look strong, the business ends the month with a negative cash flow of $200. The owner might feel confident because customers are buying, but the cash tells a different story. Without a projection, the business may struggle to pay bills or might take loans unnecessarily. With a projection, the owner can see the shortage in advance and take action, such as delaying a purchase or increasing small upsells. This simple worksheet protects you from shocks. It helps you decide when to save, when to invest, and when to cut expenses. It also shows you if your business is growing in the right direction or if you need to adjust your strategy. To wrap it up, monthly cash flow projections are not complicated. They're just a habit of staying organized. When you know your opening balance, expected income, expenses, and net cash flow, you understand your financial position clearly. And when you plan ahead every month, you make smarter choices and avoid unnecessary money stress.